again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm installing a Napp Motorsports intake on my NC. I'm very excited for this. I also am already running the Napp Motorsport valve cover, so it's gonna go very nicely together. Let's get into it. I haven't yet taken out the air filter, so let's do that. This is a K&N filter to go on this, and if you know me, you know I love K&N, so. Here's the kit in all of its glory. I'm very excited. It's going to look beautiful. So I already have the bumper off for another project, and it does seem like you will need to have the bumper off to do this job because it does bolt underneath the bumper. All right, I'm going to start with taking this tube off, and then we'll work on this, which is actually not very hard, so. Make sure you're saving this bolt. Okay, there's our tube. All right, next up is these here. There should be 2 bolts here. However, mine are missing. So there's only one for me. Then we will need to take this off because this is going to go on the new intake tube, and we're going to take this off as well, and this little guy right here. We'll take him out, and we will disconnect it from the rest of the intake so we can remove all this. So I think the best way to do this is going to be actually sliding this tube in this way and then putting on the rubber attachment up here. So we're gonna try that. Trying to be careful because this is so beautiful and I would like it to stay pretty. Okay, this is how it looks from the top. We've got the rubber hose connected all the way down here, and then it comes out here. It's gonna attach right here, so we'll do that next. I'm gonna start by tightening these hose clamps down. Okay, so here's how it looks all installed. The only thing I'm changing is I'm putting a different hose on here over to there, which is something I've needed to be doing anyways. So, yay. Okay, that is a wrap on the cold air intake install on the 2.5 swap NC. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.